Jersey number 55, Hossan passes to Salazar. Jersey number 16. Back to Hossan, corner pass. 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 16 needs a pass. This is there. Sends up and under is good. And the corner rebound. Noel Santiago. There's a foul. Jersey number 13. First foul, first team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. He's got Hossan in now. Baseline inbound pass to Reyes. Back to Hossan. Corner three. It's no good. And corner rebound. Nakuha ni Perez to Sago. Stop and pop for three. And there's a foul. Jersey number, who's got up? Jersey number 16. That is first foul, first team foul. So out of three, jersey number 29, Sago. Score 2-0. Jersey number 4, back to Hossan. Jersey number 55, that's Santiago. Good shot, it's no good. Out of bounds, by Santa Cruz ball. Pull up press. That's making the ball. Jersey number 13, deflected. Simon. Jersey number 0, Perez. Pass to Lugo. Back to Perez. Lugo, jersey number 13. It's second. Violation. Jersey number 16, Salazar. Pass to Hossan. Pass to jersey number 12. Goes to that big in there. Goes to Hossan. As they move. 16 on the shot clock. Back to Hossan, 12-second shot clock. There's a number 55, long three, it's no good. And corner rebound on Sago. 3-on-2 comes into Lugo. There's a number 13 to Hossan, there's a number 24. Takes it from Lugo. And there's the whistle. Foul committed, there's a number 18. That is first foul, second team foul. Nakalagay ka ba? One out of two. And there's a number 24. There's number 55. Hossan. Pass to Salazar. Against Lugo. There's that big. There's a number 15. More shot. It's no good. There's number 10. And I'm going to have a bola. Turnover. Subdivision. Hernandez pass to Hossan. Back to Reyes, back to Hossan. Here's the shot, almost intercept from jersey number 18, Hossan, corner three. Jersey number 55, three. Score all three. Perez pass to Hapa, jersey number 24, spin move. Almost intercept. And shot out the one, jersey number 6, Hernandez on the run of his pass. Jersey number 6 goes to home. And there's a whistle of foul coming with jersey number 6, Hernandez. That is first foul, 13th foul. Para sa Barangay Tabang. Score 5-3. 2.2 para sa Barangay Tabang. 19-second shot clock, 19 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 30, Lugo, pass to Hapa. Jersey number 24, jersey number 12. Jersey number 6, Hernandez, 3-2, green pass break. Jersey number 12, almost losing the ball, makes that jump. It's
7-3 in favor of Tabang.
Jersey number 29, score 7-6. There's number 12.
1 point lead by Tabang.
Hernandez. Against Perez. The speed move. Jersey number 6. He's
favor.
There's a number
9-6. Lamang pa rin ang tabang.
Against Perez, 14 on the shot clock. He's his pass jersey number 17. There's
Justin.
Santa Cruz.
Justin De Jesus.
49 seconds to play. Para sa ating opening quarter score, 11-6. A 5-point lead para sa Barangay Tabang. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 6 minutes and 39 seconds to play. Para sa ating there's a number 16. Intercept the Reyes, pass to Hassan. Back to Reyes, there's a number 12 to Hassan. 6 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Still on the play, pass to Hernandez. 14 on the shot clock, lead back to Santiago. Pass to Reyes, 10 second shot clock. Reyes is scoring 3. Masyado malakas. And that's back to Barangay. There's a number 18 to Reyes, outside. There's a number 10. Pero natin si Osa. There's a number 35. Portray. There's a number 55. Score 14-6. 8-1 lead. Pass to Reyes. On the run. Bounce pass. Espina. Loosen up this one.
14-8 ang score natin. Lamang ang tabang.
There's a number 6, Hernandez corner pass. Here's a number 18. Back to Hossos. Here's a number 55 to Hernandez. Same on. There's a number 55 against Lugo. There's a foul. Rebound ball. There's a number 13 Lugo. At a second foul. Second team foul para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. 40-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's the number 55, Hassan. He's on the ball, pass to Hernandez. And on the shot, there's the number 6, then Gray. It's a violation. There's a number 0 Perez. There's a number 13. Let's get control. There's a number 0, Mr. Perez. Time remaining 5 minutes and 12 seconds to play.
14-10 in favor of tabang.
Hernandez. Look at the 50 there. Zeus bounce pass to Hernandez. Corner 3. There's a number 6. It's a 9-violation turnover para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Time remaining 4 minutes and 57 seconds to play. Under 5 minutes to play. Score 17-10. 7-point lead para sa Barangay Tabang. There's a number 7. Pass to Jesus, back to Hernandez. 15 on the lead. Roque, elbow, jumper is no good. There's a foul. There's a number 13. That is first foul. Warning for a penalty. There's a number 16 in. Pass to number 1. Here's a number 16. Bounce pass to Sago. Corner 3. Masyado malakas. Check your deliver para here's a number 6. Hernandez on the run. Here's a number 7. Pero masyado malakas. Turnover.
Score natin is still 17-10 in favor of tabang.
There's number 0, Perez, passengers number 10, Spina, Pisano, 14 on the shot off, behind the back ball, side step move, there, number shot. Let's go for 2, passengers number 29, Sago. Score 17-12, a 5-point lead. As the Barangay Tabang, time remaining 4 minutes. There's number 7, Rio get back to jersey number 29. And the play makes it up, it's no good. And there's a whistle. Foul to be jersey number, who's brought up? Jersey number 13. Foul, Barangay Tabang. Time remaining 3 minutes and 46 seconds to play. Score 17-12, jersey number 13. The second down, penalty now. After the ball game, time remaining 3 minutes and 46 seconds to play. Score 17-12. It's good, 2 for 2, submission. There's number 7, Ben Hernandez. Number 1 for jersey number 5, give it a shot, it's good. Out of bounds, running inside the first one. There's number 58, 21. Back to Flamenco, back to number 1. Single. Shot clock, 18 seconds to shoot. There's a number 16, Flamenco passing again, that goes for 3. It's double. There's a number 5, Monte. There's number 7, Fernandez, back to Monte, losing his body. There's a black and foul from the jersey number 28. Monte decided to down. Pass to Fernandez, hold on the shot, jersey number 88, mid throw and jumper is no good. Long rebound, interception, jersey number 7, pass jersey number 88. And jersey number 5, interception, Nicodemus. He's a pass to Flamenco, up and under, it's good for 2. Score 17-16. Isa na lang ang kalaman ng Barangay Tabang. Jersey number 7, pass to Hernandez. Now jersey number 7, is a pass. Jersey number 8, following jumper. It's no good. 2 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Jersey number 8, Nicodemus. It's good for 2.
Change favor tayo. Lamang ng isang Santa Cruz. 18-17.
18-17. There's number 5, contact, crossover, move, easy pass. There's number 88, there's number 8. And there's a foul, with jersey number 8. That is first foul, warning, or penalty. Second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's a number 7 and an inbound. There's a number 7, reach the inbound. There's a number 7, kick a pass on the jersey number 5, slides the middle, different check. And shot to the eyes, Fernandez Macaral, pass over the time. 8 on the shot, here's the number 31, kick a pass, Fernandez for 3. Here's the number 7, 3. Score 20-18.
Lumangan Tabang uli.
There's the number 28, Kapuntuan against Fernandez. Nicodemus for 3. Let's go for 3. There's the number 8, Nicodemus.
Lamang ng isang Santa Cruz. 21-20.
There's the number 7, Bilpan. After there's the number 7, 15 on the shot clock, course pass to Monte, 12 on the shot clock. There's the number 31 for the touch, using his body, give him a shot. It's into Robin, there's the number 31. There's the number 16, Flamenco. Pass to the football, 1 minute and 28 seconds to play. Pass here's the number 16. Flamenco, 15 on the shot clock against jersey number 7. Looking for number 1, jersey number 28. Big up pass, jersey number 8. 8 on the shot, 8 same pass, jersey number 3. No good. And there's There's a whistle ball going to be jersey number 8. That is first foul penalty. One minute and 12 seconds to go. Score 22-20. There's a number 31 to the back. Austin Fernandez between on the shot clock. There's a pushing foul. Going to be jersey number 3. That is first foul penalty. 2 free throws by jersey number 7, Fernandez.
Wala akong dala ngayon. Upos. Sa sunod. Thank you.
It's with 2 for 2. And jersey number 7, Mr. Fernandez. Score all 22. Exactly 1 minute to play. As on the second quarter, jersey number 2, Vasily Guterres, jersey number 8. 15 on the shot off to Komenko. The bubble board as they go. Easy pass. Intercept jersey number 7, Fernandez now. Papulis jersey number 7, wala ang bola. Ang jersey number 28, Komenko. Pass jersey number 3. That's the Komenko jersey number 28. Spin ball, winner, shot. And one down. Out of bounds, same ball. Seconds play. 17 seconds shot off, 17 seconds to shoot. There's a number 8, Nicodemus for 3. There's the good fight for the rebound. Long rebound for there's a number 8, Nicodemus on the run. Easy pass. There's a number 16, 8 on the shot off. 3 seconds violation. Time remaining 29.9 seconds to play. 5 seconds differential between the game clock and the shot off. Jersey number 0, pass to Luntar, jersey number 0. Easy pass, jersey number 88, it's no good. Out of bounds, save ball. Seconds to shoot. Jersey number 31. Passing to 0, jersey number 11, corner 3, it's no good. Fighting for the rebound. It's good for 2. Score 24-22. 10 seconds to play. Shot clock is up. Pass to the Devils, jersey number 8. 4 seconds to play. Took up the point, it's good for 2.
Deadlock at 24 ang score natin after first quarter. Dami tao ngayon kasi lalaro sa Santa Cruz tapos tabang pa. Idol! Idol! Punta na kayo!
Jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 11. Back jersey number 0, corner 3. It's no good. Even jersey number 2, Dulasan. Pass to Lumos, ending the play.
Deadlock at 24 tayo after the first quarter. Second quarter na.
Sago, 12 on the shot. Jersey number 29. Penetrate, it up. It's good for 2. Jersey number 29, Sago.
Change paper, lamang ng dalawa.
24.
Ang Santa Cruz.
Jersey number 0. Pass to Hassan. Nice to Hassan, partner pass. Jersey number 0. Casino. Spin ball. Jersey number 8. Isan Chalo. Shot is no good. Jersey number 10. Intercept. Jersey number 17. This was up. Mirando is no good.
Nangyari, Justin.
Jersey number 2, Dulasan. Big pass, jersey number 10, baseline jumper. It's the fighting for the rebound. One jersey number 0, Perez. 12 on the shot for 3. And one line. There's a line violation. That's what I made the ball. Time remaining 8 minutes and 51 seconds to play. There's a number 30, Lugo. Big Iba pass to Perez. It's good for two. Score 28-24. Acquired point lead. Sa Barangay Santa Cruz. 8 minutes and 40 seconds to play. There's a number 0, Placido. There's a number 11, Pekino on the shot clock. Looking for Hassan against Lugo. 1 second shot clock. There's a number 55. Looking for the big lead on the shot clock. He's in back. There's a number 0. 5 second shot clock. There's a number 11. There's a number 11 for Dre. There's a number 18. Good ball. There's a number 24. There's a number 11.
78-7. 28-26, sorry.
Zero Perez, Master running the last side. It's good for two.
30-26. Apat ulit.
Minutes to play. Zero plus zero. Last year's the number 11 to Hassan. 12 on the shot clock. Against Perez, there's the number 55. There's the number 10. Master running over. There's the number 20. Lays it up. It's covered. And there's a whistle ball. Here's the number 11. That is first foul, first team foul. As we get the back. Substitution. Substitution. Let's go 2 for 2.
32-26. 6-point lead by Santa Cruz.
Easy pass. There's number 12. It's no good. There's number 2. The left line slides the middle. Intercept. Hernandez y Perez. Out of bounds. Barangay Tabamboy. Score 26-22. Jersey number 12, Reyes, bounce pass. Jersey number 55. Secure the rebound para jersey number 0, Perez. Jersey number 0, Basasago. Pero may shot na lahat. Substitution. Jersey number 55, Watson. Pass to Reyes, back to Watson. Pass in there. So baseline counter.
32-28. 4-point lead by Santa Cruz.
Jersey number 0, Perez, back to Lugo. Big pass to Perez. There's speed. Jersey number 10, has the goal. Good rebound. Jersey number 18. Then there's your next up and up. It's good.
34-28.
34-28. A 6-point lead para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Also looking for Hernandez. Against New Jersey number 6. Is it pass? Is it Chago? To Jesus. Jersey number 17. It's good for 2. Score 34-13. Intercept on the Jersey number 17. Jesus. There's back and out to Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Third personal foul. First team foul para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Jersey number 20, Al Gruber, the basement. Jersey number 8, Nicodemus. On the basement, Eva pass to Reyes. He's a pass to jersey number 6, Hernandez. His big move, jersey number 6. He could pass to Reyes for 3. That's not good. Secure the Eva para jersey number 24. Behind Eva para Mr. Rapa, jersey number 24. Jersey number 12. Looking for the open man. Rush pass to Perez, jersey number 0. 14 on the shot clock. Makes it up. Nice penetrate para jersey number 0. Perez. Score 36-13. 6-point lead. As Barangay Santa Cruz, Hassan. Pass to Hernandez. 15 on the shot clock. Mid pass to Chago to Reyes. For 3. Masyado malakas. Hernandez. Against the Lemos, working on the shot off behind the back wall. Then on the shot up, corner pass to Wilson. Out of bounds, Marquez. There's number 0, Perez. Against Salazar. Against the two defenders, must lose number 10. A miscommunication turnover para sa Brigay Santa Cruz. 4 minutes and 44 seconds to play. Second quarter score 38-13. Here's a number 12, Reyes, pass to Hernandez. Robert pass. Eagle pass, here's number 12. Here's the number 17, elbow jumper is no good. Rebound para Mr. Hernandez. Here's the number 24. On the run, slides the middle, spin goal. Almost goes to the ball, big pass. Here's the number 10, spin up, hooks it up. Let's go for two. Score 14-13. Lumobo na sa sampung kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Cruz. Hernandez pass to Reyes. Salazar to Keen on the shot block. He's in first, there's number 17. There's a foul. Here's number 0, Perez. There's number 0. 40-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's a number 12, Reyes. Then on the shot clock, pass to Jesus. Staying on the shot clock against Sapa. There's a number 17. There's a foul, there's a number 24. That is first foul, 13 foul para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Time remaining 3 minutes and 56 seconds to play. Under 4 minutes to play para sa second quarter. There's a number 6, Hernandez for three. In and out. Secure the riba para there's number 10, Smith. Here's a number 8. Looking for a half out. Working on the shot off. Cross back. From behind for three. There's number 5 for the rebound. There's a loose ball foul. Here's a number 16. 16, that is second foul, second team foul. There's a number 8, Nicodemus, the baseline inbound pass to Hapa. Forward the shot off to Nicodemus. There's a number 8, and he's Hernandez. For shot. They still got Hernandez. There's number 17. A jump ball, save ball. In 3 minutes and 27 seconds to play para sa ating second quarter score, 14-13. Back to the ball game. 40-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's number 8, Nicodemus. Pass to Hava, back to Nicodemus for three. There's number 8, three. Score 43-13. Lumobo na sa tatlong kalamangan. Ang Barangay Santa Cruz, jersey number 16, Salazar. Hernandez, corner 3. It's number 3. Para jersey number 6. Ederson and Reyes is good for 2. It's a line violation. 35.
43-35 in favor of Santa Cruz.
Here's number 12, Reyes. Bounce pass. Miscommunication, turnover. Here's number 8, Nicodemus. Pass to Perez. Here's number 0. Here's number 0 on the run. Listen to the ball, turnover. Here's number 12, Reyes. Pass here's number 6. Salazar to Hernandez. Corner pass to Salazar. Back to Hernandez. To Reyes. Here's number 12. 12 on the shot. Here's number 6, Hernandez. Same ball. Substitution. Here's number 17, Jesus. Pass to Hernandez. 5 on the shot. Here's number 12. They move. They drive up. They move. Single pass. Intercept. Here's number 12. Reyes to Kira. here. Ready to fight jersey number 3. Pasok na Mekto. Pero masyado wala sa pasa. 2 minutes. Jersey number 7, Hernandez, pass to Reds, pass to Hernandez, deep pass to this, who's elbow, jumper is no good. Jersey number 28, back to Ryan, seconds to play. Score 43,
Turnover.
8-14. Comes from the gates at the group, jersey number 7, Hernandez, pass to Reyes, back to Hernandez, who came on the shot, scoop the layup. It's no good, there's a foul. Warning for penalty. Barangay Santa Cruz. 2 free throws. One of jersey number 17, Steph Jesus. Second shot is good. On the ball, jersey number 59, Sagu. On the run, spin move. Now, more shot. Shot is good for 2. Coast to coast, but there's a number 29. Score 36-45, 1 minute and 18 seconds to play. There's a number 7. Hernandez, jersey number 6. We go past jersey number 4, go on the shot with their jersey number 17. Makes it up, it's good. And for the rebound, on the Flamenco. Next up with 1 minute to play. Jersey number 24, takes that jumper in and out. Fighting for the rebound, jersey number 12 on the right, on the right, takes the middle left pass. Comes to Hernandez, jersey number 6 has to take room, jersey number 6. Hernandez takes it up, foul. Foul, jersey number 28, second foul, penalty. Time remaining 48.7 seconds to play. It's complete. Legal play, but jersey number 6. Masadik first half, second quarter score, 45-39, there's a number 24, Rafa, using his body. There's a foul committed with jersey number 13. That is third foul, 13th foul, Barba.
Out, out.
What
43 seconds to play.
Score 46-39. Jersey number 7, Hernandez, pass to Reyes, jersey number 12. As they go, working on the shot off to Hernandez, jersey number 6. Ball on the shot off, giving a pass to Reyes. To Hernandez, has an A. He's a pass to Jesus, on the shot off, jersey number 17. First shot, following shot is good. And for the rebound, on jersey number 28, 21 seconds to play. Shot clock is up. Jersey number 29, stop it, foul for 3. Jersey number 29, 3. 10 seconds to play. All numbers in the second. Time remaining 8.9 seconds to play. Remaining 8.9 seconds to play. 1 and 2, what's the jersey number 12 Reyes? 8.9 seconds to play. Shot clock is up by Zerranama. 5 seconds to play, jersey number 21, elbow jumper. Let's go for 2. And that's the final score. 51-14, 11.8 bodies of the guy. Santa Cruz.
Start of the second half.
Third quarter. Hassan pass to Jesus, back to Hassan against Lugo. I pick up the game, jersey number 8, jersey number 5, slice the middle, there, shot. Let's win for 2.
51-42 ang score.
There's the number 24, halfback. Corner pass to Salum, long two. It's good. Nice backside by there's the number 8, Capiral. Pass to Watson. Defend the puck behind. Almost loses the ball. Out of bounds. Same ball. 17-second shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. Hernandez pass to Capiral. Pass to Watson. Inside pass. Deflected and jersey number 0, Perez. Leon the passback. Jersey number 3. But there's a whistle. Foul will be jersey number 17. The second. It's with 2 for 2. One defense against the Blues. There's the number 8, Capiral. Pass to Jesus. 12 on the shot clock. Back to Hernandez. Against Blues, jersey number 6, baseline drive. Kick out pass, Jesus baseline. Jumper is not good. For the rebound on jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 29. Accident on jersey number 29. It's a rapid violation. Number 55, intercepted, jersey number 10. After jersey number 59. Heading for his teammate. It's a double rebound. Hernandez. Pass to Watson, back to Hernandez. Jersey number 6. Against Perez. Looking for Watson. 12 on the shot clock. Looking for the team, Santiago to the Jesus as they move, baseline drive, up and under is good. The shot from the eyes, number jersey number 10, pass to Lugo, jersey number 29. Back to Lugo, hanging on the shot for 3. Let's go for 3 by jersey number 13, Lugo. Score 56-42. Lumobo na sa labing-apat na kalamangan. Ang Barangay Santa Cruz, jersey number 8, Capiral. Holding on the shot on jersey number 8. Looking for Hernandez, jersey number 6. They sirap yun. Score 56-44, jersey number 0, Perez. Pass to Hapa, jersey number 24. Up another. Shadow Balas. It's good 2 for 2. Here's number 21. Pass to Watson, bounce pass to Bugad. Second shot clock, 18 seconds to shoot. Here's number 31. Pass to Watson. Forward pass to Bugad. Keen on the shot clock against Perez. 10-second shot clock. Looking for that peak. High peak of Santiago. 6 on the shot. There's number 55. Out of bounds, same ball, seconds to shoot. There's a number 2 to Hassan, lock 3. There's the good body for the rebound, secure the rebound back. Here's the number 10. Almost in the side, now here's the number 13, Lugo. On the round, easy pass to Hapa, here's the number 24. Eagle pass to Perez, 12 on the shot clock, looking for the peak. Jersey number 0 to the loss, jersey number 2, baseline drive, easy pass, intercept, jersey number 88. Pass to Hassan, jersey number 6, Hernandez on the run, lays it up, it's no good. With jersey number, who's what? Number 0, Perez. Second foul, first defense, Hernandez. It's with 2 for 2. Jersey number 6, Hernandez. 46.
58-46.
Jersey number 0, Perez. On the run, running the left side, it's 2 for 2. Jersey number 6, Hernandez. Pass to Clean on the shot, behind the back ball. Easy pass, jersey number 88, Vintage.
Vinci. Si Justin Hapa pala yun.
Hey, Master Anayan Hernandez inside back. Let's go for two. Jersey number 18, Santiago.
Lalaro pala si Justin Hapa rito. Shout
Score
out.
62-15. 5 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Jersey number 54, Hapa. Pass to the loss of 15 on the shot clock. 10-second shot clock. So Benny says pass jersey number 10. It's back. Jersey number 0 to jersey number 10. It's your timeout. Para sa Barangay Tabang, jersey number 6. Nicolas Umulino, jersey number 88. Fourth shot, give the shot, is no good. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Score 64-15. Jersey number 0, Perez, 10 on the shot clock. Pass to Wamba, back to Perez, jersey number 0. Jersey number 24, inside pass, jersey number 10. Takes it wide, it's no good. Wide corner rebound, oh, jersey number 12. There's a foul, jersey number 10. That is first foul, second team foul. Timeout, Barangay Tabang. 10 remaining, 4 minutes and 49 seconds to play. That is the second half, third quarter, score 64-15. Lumobo na sa labing apat na malamangan ang Barangay Santa Cruz. Jersey number 6, Hernandez. Pass to Reyes against Lumo, jersey number 13. Back pass, jersey number 6, Hernandez to Rocket. Follow-away shot is no good. Jersey number 0, big pass, jersey number 21. Score 66-15, 16-point lead. Pass to Barangay Santa Cruz, jersey number 6. Big pass to Manila, Hulugan, jersey number 0. And jersey number 21, Hapa to Lulos, jersey number 2, 80 points teammate. Pass to Hapa, jersey number 24. Good pass to Lugo, wide open for 3. On jersey number 13, Rogan. Out that pass, jersey number 6 is good for 2. Jersey number 13 against Reyes. That's jersey number 3. Looking for Hava 15. Second shot clock. That's to Lugo to Perez. As they move, baseline drive. Corner pass to the left side. 6 on the shot. Jersey number 2. Out of bounds, single, submission. 4-second shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Jersey number 12, Pasahon, 2 on the shot clock. Jersey number 16, Jersey number 17, Jesus on the run. Attack the rebound, nice penetration. And wala ka lang. 3 minutes and 22 seconds to play. Jersey number 28, Kapulpon. Cross pass to the left side for 3. Let's go, fighting for the rebound. No one at all. There's a foul. Jersey number 28. Substitution. Jersey number 28. That is second foul. Jersey number 28. Third personal foul. 13 foul. Jersey number 31. Bulacan against Nicodemo. Through the pass, but that is accident. Oh! Elbow check to his head. Jersey number 7.
66-54.
Pass to Kapulpon. Jersey number 58. Keep on. And the side, jersey number 7. Hernandez lays it up. Jersey foul. Jersey number is brought up. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Warning for foul now. Barangay Santa Cruz. 2 free throws para jersey number 7. Hernandez. To play. Para jersey number 16. There's a foul. Jersey number 13. Third team foul para sa Barangay Tabak. Jersey number 16, Flamenco. At jersey number 3, Nicodemus. Jersey number 8, 15 on the shot clock. Seal of the play, looking for it off the bat. Almost intercept. Offensive foul, jersey number 8, Nicodemus. That is second foul. Substitution. Here's number 7, Fernandez. Just pass to Hassan for 3. And it's the fighting for the rebound. Yung rebound para kay Jesus. Here on the shot clock. Pass to Hassan. 5 seconds out. It's a pass. It's a number 18. It's good for 2. Score 66-57. Down to single lead ng kalaban ng Barangay Santa Cruz. There's a number 55, big pass. There's a number 7, 14 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 48 seconds to play. There's a number 7 for 3. It's the fighting for the rebound. There's a number 55, big pass. Almost intercept 10 on the shot clock. There's a number 12, 6 second roll pass. There's a number 7, Fernandez bounce back. There's a number 7. There's a whistle. Foul, there's a number 3. Foul, Barangay Santa Cruz.
Masakit pa rin.
Revenge mo na.
Artist Adventures. Wala akong dalang sticker eh.
There's the number 16, Flamenco. Against Jesus. Going for the lead. And the Viva para the side. There's number 59. No basket. But there's a foul coming to jersey number 55. Hustle. That is first foul. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. Couple call on the baseline inbound. That's jersey number 29. Sago. Lace it up for a shot. It's a good. There's a loose ball foul, and here's number 10. That penalty. One minute and 10 seconds to play para sa ating third quarter. There's a number 8, Nicodemus, 6-second move. Here's a number 8, upset move.
59-66.
Barangay Tabak.
Pababa sa 7 ang inaabal ng
Time
Tabak.
remaining, exactly 1 minute to play. There's a number 7, Fernandez. Looking for the feed, Jesus. Corner pass to Hassan. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Bernard, jersey number 7, corner pass, jersey number 12, lays it up. It's Tago. Ay, rebound para kay Sago. Walker pass to jersey number 8, Nicodemus. Fernandez number 1, jersey number 28. Corner pickup para Balen. 38 seconds to play. Jersey number 17, Jesus. Almost intercept, same ball. Seconds to play. Para sa ating third quarter. Sideline iba para kay Hassan. Pass to Fernandez. Bounce pass to Jesus. There's a number 17. Against the 2 defender. There's a number 7. Hesitate full. 12 on the shot. It's set for rapid violation.
26.6
2 seconds
seconds.
differential
Aye.
between the beat clock and the shot clock. There's a number 8. Nicodemus pass to number 10. Esmila. Looking for Sago. There's a number 29. Looking for an ISO play. There's a number 29. Lays it up. It's no good. Fighting for the rebound. There's a number 12 players on the run. Penalty play to run against the number 18. It's on the run. Violation. 5.8 seconds to play. Shot clock is off. There's a number 16. Flamenco on the run. Using his body. Lays it up. There's a foul. Get down. Penalty. good, 2 for 2. 1.9 seconds to play. Basa na lang.
Agis!
Para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Possession, Barangay Santa Cruz, fourth quarter. There's a number 29, Sago Pasulubo. Pass there's number 24, Rafa Vince Hernandez. There's a number 24, working on the shot. There's a number 24, Rafa. Pushing his body, no shot, it's good for 2. There's a number 6, Hernandez, pass to Watson, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Reyes, 10 on the shot clock. For 3, in and out. Secure the rebound, para Mr. Rafa. Out and pass, this time there's a number 59, it's no good. There's a number 6, Hernandez. Behind the back ball. It's Rafa. There's a pushing foul, here's a number 24. That is second foul, first team foul para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. 16 seconds shot clock, 16 seconds to shoot. There's number 12, Reyes to Watson, 10 on the shot clock. Back to Reyes. Corner pass to Hernandez for 3. And there's a number 6, 3.
Go, Justin!
62-17. Down to 8 ang Malaman. There's a number 0, penetrate. He got back to Haba, still good. There's a whistle, foul.
Grabe ka, Haba.
Two free throws para jersey number 24, Mr. Hapa.
Lakas mo na, Hapa. $71-62.
On and 2, jersey number 24. Score 62-7 to 1. 8 minutes and 38 seconds to play. Jersey number 55, Hosan pass to Reyes. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 6 and 12 on the shot clock against Hapa. It's a pass to there. Just follow a shot. Using the guys. It's no good. Secure the rebound by Mr. Perez. Jersey number 0. 8 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Jersey number 0. Hand up dito para kay Sago. Jersey number 29. Penetrate. Miss. Rapid super team. Secure the timeout. Jersey number 55. Awesome pass to Bulatan against the two defenders. Quarter pass. Hernandez back to Hassan. Back to Hernandez. Head snake move. It's a drive. Huligan. Jersey number 0. 6 on the shot clock. Jersey number 18 for the putback. Wala pa rin. Get this on miss. It's good for 2. Jersey number 0. Press. Mason Jagger. Jersey number 0. Looking for 7. 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 2. Nice. Number 5 for 3. Here's the hard work very on with jersey number 10. He got pass to Perez. 12 on the shot clock. Number 0. Step up jumper for 3. Jersey number 0. And pass to jersey number 0. There's a number 55, Hassan against Hapa. Pass to Bulatan, pointed on the shot. There's number 21 against Sago. And there's a foul. There's a number 29, Black and foul. There's a number 6, pass to Jesus. Hassan corner, pass to Hernandez. Wide open for 3. It's good for 3. And there's a number 6, Hernandez. Score 67-76. And it's going to get Rizal, turnover.
67, 76, 9
And
point
remaining
lead.
6 minutes and 36 seconds to play. There's number 55, looking for Hernandez. A hot hat for three. Mistakes, a back-to-back three. Down to 6, Abanaman. And there's the foul away from the ball. That is first foul, second team foul. Five minutes, 6 minutes, and 15 seconds to play. This is number 13, looking for Sagu. Corner pass to Perez. This is number 18, corner three. Ah! This is number 29, three. There's number 55, Oswald. Turnover. Nice defense.
Tira niyo ako kanina pa. Go, Justin.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 49 seconds to play. There's number 24, Hapa, pass to Perez. Looking for Luba, there's number 13. Keen on the shot off, there's number 0, Perez. For three. There's a body for the rebound, oh, and there's number 7, Fernandez. Pass to Hernandez, there's number 6 on the line. Almost the block that is a pass, there's number 18. And my shot in the last, there's there's number 17. Let's go for two. Score 79, 72.
7-point lead.
There's number 0, Perez. Pass to Sol, there's number 39, same spot. Not this time, Hernandez Hapa. There's a whistle. There's now who's whatever. There's a number 16. That is third foul, 13 foul. Two free throws, but here's a number 24, Mr. Hapa. Let's go. 5 minutes and 8 seconds to play. That is about the fourth and final quarter. There's a number 6. Looking for that feed, Mr. Santiago. There's a number 6, Hernandez. Spin ball. Lays it up, it's no good. Get his on this one up and in. Ay, Puerto Rico, there's a number 30 out the back to Saco. Lays it up, it's good. Here's the number 29. Second thing to go with it. All the